Most tire shop owners think the secret to making more money is simple. Take more jobs. Say yes to every customer. Keep the workshop full. Sounds smart, right? But what if I told you that some of the jobs you're saying yes to are actually hurting your business? By the end of this episode, you'll understand why being busy doesn't always mean being profitable, and how saying no to the wrong work can actually help your tire business grow faster. This is something a lot of tire shop owners struggle with. The diary is packed, the staff are busy, tires are being fitted all day long, yet the profits don't seem to match the effort. And that's because not all jobs are good jobs. Think about the kinds of work many tire shops take on. Low-margin jobs, difficult customers, last-minute requests, odd tire sizes that barely make any money. The reason? Nobody wants to turn work away. But here's something no one talks about. Every job has a cost. Every time you say yes to one customer, you're saying no to something else. That job takes staff time, workshop space, equipment, and your attention. So here's a question. If a job keeps you busy but makes very little profit, was it really worth doing? This is where most people mess up. A lot of tire shops become experts at being busy, but not profitable. The result? Stressed staff, overloaded schedules, constant pressure. You look successful from the outside because the workshop is full. But when you check the bank account, the numbers tell a different story. The smartest tire businesses understand one simple truth. Profit matters more than volume. They don't focus on taking every job that comes through the door. They focus on profitable work, efficient jobs, good customers, and repeat business. Let's break that down. First, know your best jobs. Ask yourself, which jobs make the best profit? Which jobs are quickest to complete? Which customers keep coming back? Those are the jobs you should prioritize. If a particular service consistently makes good money and keeps customers returning, that's where your attention should go. Second, stop chasing every cheap sale. You know the customers I'm talking about. They only want the absolute cheapest tire, every single time. They spend ages asking questions, comparing prices, and negotiating, and then disappear until their next bargain hunt. The truth is, those customers rarely become loyal customers, and they often consume the most time. Don't skip this part because it's important. Not every customer is your ideal customer. Third, protect your workshop time. Workshop space is one of your most valuable assets. Once an hour is gone, you can't get it back. So if your ramps are tied up with low-profit work while higher-value jobs are waiting, you're losing opportunities without even realizing it. Fourth, focus on repeat customers. A customer who trusts your advice and comes back year after year is worth far more than someone who only visits once because you had the cheapest price. Repeat customers buy more, refer friends, and create stability in your business. So here's another question for you. Would you rather have 10 loyal customers or 50 bargain hunters? Let me know in the comments. And finally, measure profit, not activity. Many owners track jobs completed. They track tires fitted. They track turnover, but they forget to track the one thing that matters most: profit. Profit tells the real story. Because being busy and being successful are not the same thing. The biggest mistake many tire shops make is believing that every sale is a good sale. It's not. Some jobs help your business grow. Some jobs simply create work. And there's a huge difference between the two. And if you want more practical advice on improving profit, efficiency, and long-term growth in your tire business, stay connected with TyreRoom because there's always a smarter way to grow. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages. trusted by traders.